आणि कारण की आपलं नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस ॲज सच लाईक बेसिक हेल्थ, बेसिक एज्युकेशन, रेनफॉल, वॉटर प्रॉब्लेम हेच आपलं थोडं चांगलं याच्यात आहे. तर आपण इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अजून वाढू शकतो.
सॅच्युरेट झालं नाही. लोकलची गर्दी कशाचं प्रतीक आहे? परळचा पुलावर झालेला जो अपघात आहे रेल्वे पुलावर, तो कशाचं प्रतीक आहे?
सो तो असं
सॅच्युरेशन होतं.
सर सॅच्युरेशनपेक्षा पण ते परळचं जे पुलाव होता तो खूप जुना आणि रस्टेड झालेला होता. तर त्याच्यावर पण इंजिनिअरिंग ॲस्पेक्टनी बघितलं तर पहिला पण रिपोर्ट्स आलेले होते BMCकडे की ते पूल एकदम रस्टेड झाले आणि त्याच्यावर ॲक्शन्स लवकर घ्यायला पाहिजे होते.
सोल्युशन
तर सोल्युशन हेच असेल की सिव्हिल ॲस्पेक्ट की एक लाईफ टाईम असते कुठलेही पण प्रोडक्ट असू दे, कुठलेही स्ट्रक्चर असू दे, तर त्याच्यानुसार त्याला हे करायला लागतं. जसं की 1 वर्षात आपण TTचं इंजेक्शन घेतो तसं त्यांना पण एक इंजेक्शन द्यायलाच लागेल.
परळ तू राहायला कुठे आहे?
चेंबूर.
परळचा एरिया पाहिला?
हो
परळचं स्टेशन पाहिलं? केवढं आहे?
सर थोडा लहान आहे.
हां. आणि त्याचा आजूबाजूचा इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट किती मोठं झालं गेल्या 4-5 वर्ष.
हो सर.
तर हा जो रोड आहे तो ओव्हर नाही वाटत त्या ब्रिज किंवा त्या स्टेशन्सच्या मागे?
सर रेल्वे स्टेशन मग आपण वाढू शकतो आणि जे एक्झिस्टिंग आहे सर ॲक्च्युली परळचं मेन प्रॉब्लेम हे होतं की परळ टू एल्फिन्स्टन रोड जे कनेक्टिंग लिंक आहे ते एकच ब्रिज आहे. तर त्या ब्रिजवर
परिणाम कशाचा परिणाम? ऑफिसेस जास्त झाले,
हो.
इतका जास्त झाला, गर्दी वाढली आहे.
तेच सप्लाय वाढला.
मुंबईची सर्व ठिकाणी परिस्थिती होऊ शकते का?
सो होऊ शकते. त्याच्यानुसार आपल्याला हे पण जास्त इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वेस आपल्याला विचार केला पाहिजे. सो एक्झाम्पल कुर्लामध्ये पण ॲक्च्युली क्रॉसिंग फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट इट वॉज ओनली 1 लिंक लाईक परेल टू एल्फिन्स्टन. नाव कुर्ला स्टेशन हॅज 10 कनेक्टिंग लिंक्स. सो असं आपण हे इम्प्रोवाइज पण करू शकतो.
I just wanted, you studied in VGTI.
येस सर.
What it stands for?
सर वीर माता जिजाबाई टेक्नॉलॉजिकल इन्स्टिट्यूट.
What was previously it was known as?
विक्टोरिया जुबली टेक्निकल इन्स्टिट्यूट.
So, from VGTI to VGTI, what change happened in the institute?
So previously Victoria Jubilee, it was majorly for textile productions. So now it's majorly focusing on engineering studies and
Okay, so does the changing of the names really, do you agree with that?
Sir, changing of names, I think it's dependent on the electorate or the citizens living in Maharashtra that has a better say to it. So if changing a name has a moral support to them, moral motivation to them, so I believe that yes, it should be changed.
So now the station is Pravati. Earlier, what was it?
So, I do not recall.
What changes happened in that?
So I don't know. I don't know.
Elsiston Road was the station.
Uh,
We changed it to Pravati.
hmm.
What happened there?
Sir, I don't know.
So what I mean to say is, does the changing of the...
It's the same question.
Yeah,
Okay.
the same question. Does the changing of the names really change and change the infrastructure, whatever it is, and help the people? Or it is just for name's sake? I will give you one more example. Now, the cleaning of the cities, only the walls have been painted. 2020ची आम्ही तयारी करत आहोत, या भिंतीवरती आलेला आहे, पण ग्राउंड रियालिटी रिमेन्स द सेम. What do you think should be done?
Sir, I think the major thing would be to create more awareness among the people to acknowledge the problem and to have a behavioral change according to the problem. So regarding you said the last example, so I think it's more on the people side to deliver their duty to the city.
Okay. You have played table tennis.
Yes, sir.
Who is the most successful table tennis player in India?
So he's
I know Kamlesh Mehta. So after Kamlesh Mehta, as per you is
so the most successful will be the women table tennis player Manika Batra,
and in men's side,
Sharad Kamal.
he is ranked higher than Kamlesh.
Yes, sir. 64th rank in world.
Okay, what are the major problems faced by the city of Mumbai?
So the
Because
first,
it is said that this is a stressful city. Why it is so stressful?
so the stress part would be more appropriated with the people living in it. So basic condition is housing. So the housing prices have risen very high, and the rent also rising very high. So the people looking for various job opportunities, as it is known, the Maya Nagari, or city of dreams. So the major aspect of living itself is going high. Second would be the, as sir said, it's getting very overcrowded. It's becoming very unsustainable and very environmental concerns like pollution, then traffic, congestion. It's all included.
So are any steps being taken here to ease the life of the people?
Yes, sir. So a major step the government itself is taking, working on the Mumbai Metro project.
How many metro lines are there?
So currently only one is working.
No, no. So projects are underway.
Hmm.
The major projects.
Hmm.
Which are those projects? Because one question was asked on RA. So RA Karshed. So now how many metro lines are being planned?
Sir, I don't know.
I'm not asking you the original station and the destination point of view. How many lines? 2, 3, 4?
Sir,
Because I think you being from Mumbai and major work is going on, I think this question answer is expected. If you are not prepared for it, just go through it. How many metro lines are there? When are they going to complete it? Because it is going to ease the density, reduce the density, and ease the life of the people. And what do you know about the drinking of the rivers? Because they say drinking water is going to be a major problem. And it could be the cause of the next World War. And we have got some thing planned for the linking of rivers. Do you know?
yes, sir. So I believe the objectives are very noble, but many problems have to be taken into consideration. For example, the geographical aspect. So changing the course of a natural river is very threatening as well, because during a storm or a heavy cyclone, the flow can take any other path as well, and it can create submergence as well as flooding in any other parts. So after very much precautions, I think it's a good idea, because the regions itself in Maharashtra, the rain shadow region, that is Marathwada, today it's very needed such solutions.
In the chess, do you know Armageddon as a method?
So,
Armageddon as a final method of chess. Have you heard
I
of
do
it?
not know the meaning.
Bleeds, have you heard bleeds?
No, sir.
Rapid method.
I don't know.
He's referring to the game of chess.
Chess.
So I do not watch any.
Or you usually play.
Yeah.
What is the end zone, you know, in the chess?
Sorry?
End zone.
No idea, sir.
Can you carry on the game next day? Like,
No idea.
can computer engines be used for playing chess, like as an assistant?
Yes, sir.
So any such build in the engines? Have you?
So the most famous would be the DeepMind, Google's. Then there's one upcoming one, AlphaZero. So they are using artificial intelligence in chess.
So who will be successful in the machines will beat man or man will beat machines?
So depend on the processing power of the machine. So if the processing power is very high, if you attach a supercomputer, so since it can calculate almost all the probabilities, so machine can, I think it can win over.
But in last such match, then humans only won. What do you think? What is the probability in the future? Who will only win?
So as I said, it depends on the processing power. So today the processing power applied is very less. So if we attach more processing power, the probabilities calculated will be more, and it will give the definite solution. So I think it will be the machines.
Tejas project, have you heard? The light combat aircraft of India.
Yes, yes. Sir.
So has it failed project, do you think?
No, sir. So I think it's on the very progressive path. Recently only, government had
Then why we are
launched.
purchasing Rafale then?
Yes, sir.
Why we are purchasing Rafale? If Tejas is successful, then Rafale is not required, no?
So I beg to differ because Rafale is a medium weight aircraft and Tejas is a light aircraft. So the roles are that will be they will be performing are very different. So the Rafale can carry more load and it can discharge to various high ranges, whereas Tejas is more famous for its stealth mode. So it can go through distances without taking into radar and can achieve its purposes.
From 1989 to today it is going on like so many years. You know, what's the reason so many years it is going on?
So sorry, can you repeat?
1989 it was started.
Hmm.
Not 2020, it is still in progress only. So why it took so many years, you know?
So as we all know, Tejas is not a fully indigenous project. So many of the parts had to be imported. So that was a major criteria. Second would be, sir, the technology that it's required in making Tejas. It's very up to date, and HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, is making its every efforts to reach that level.
Have you heard of the movies Nirja, Bhag Milkha Bhag,
Yes, sir.
huh? Then Madras Cafe?
Yes, sir.
What kind of movies are they?
So these are movies which are based on a true story.
These are the movies which you mentioned, non-fiction.
So non-fictional carries both, based on true story and can be non-true story also.
I
but-
mentioned two stories.
Yeah.
महाराष्ट्राच्या राजकारणात सध्या काय चाललंय?